The Merchant and the Parrot. A tale from 1001 Arabian Nights. Once upon a time, there lived a rich merchant. He had a beautiful and lovely wife. The merchant used to travel a lot. He rarely stayed back to his house. One day, in the market, he saw a parrot.
"Sir, please come. This parrot will be your great friend."
The merchant was anxious to see the parrot.
"Sir, please take it. It can talk well. And it can tell you whatever happens at your house, in your absence,"
said the seller.
"Is it? Can it talk well?"
asked the merchant.
"Yes. It can guard your house well."
The merchant bought the parrot from the seller and took it to his house. From that day, the parrot started telling everything to his master. Whatever happened at the home.
"Shayna, are you taking care of the house or not?"
he asked his wife. "Why? What happened?" she asked her husband.
"Today, 2 of our servants have stolen the food. And you were dancing in your room at that time."
The merchant shouted. The wife bowed her head, unable to answer. Days went like this. Shayna got yellings from her husband every day. Shayna decided to kill the parrot. The next day, she called her servants. She ordered, "Keep a handmill under the parrot's cage, and throw water down from above the cage. Also, take a mirror and turn it in front of its eyes, from left to right by the light of the candle." During the night, the servants did as she said. The merchant came home the next morning and spoke with the parrot. He asked,
"What happened last night?"
The parrot replied, "Master, the lightning, the thunder, and rain disturbed me so much all night long that I cannot tell you what I have suffered." The man knew there had been no storm the night before, so he thought the parrot was lying. This made him angry and became wild. He opened the cage, took the parrot and threw it on the floor. In the process, the parrot lost its life. The man was irritated and furious over the parrot. But the wife came running and felt sorry for the poor parrot. She had wanted to trick her husband, but she did not mean for him to kill the parrot. She told her husband the truth and he felt embarrassed and sorry for killing the poor animal. He repented for it throughout his life. Moral of the story is to think twice before acting.